Hey guys, it's JV here again from InfoHut with today's question being, will my iPhone or iPad lose data if I get it repaired or even get the screen replaced? The short answer is most likely not, but please keep watching and I'll explain why I highly recommend that you actually do back up your data. With your Apple phone, the data is totally separate to your actual screen or to say your battery. It is something that generally won't occur, but the most important thing that you need to remember is that your iPhone is going to be going into a repairer for technical work. It's no different from say your computer, or even say you were just going to a doctor for something that's really small. They're going to tell you of the risks and of the possible things that can occur when an iPhone is repaired. Now, for you to understand this, what I've got here is I've got an actual broken iPhone and I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. So as you can see, this is the iPhone 6 inside. The iPhone 7, all the iPhone series are all about the same. Now the thing is that you need to take note is that everything is real small here. So remember, you've got a human that's dealing with it and there is a probability that maybe one of his tools slipped, maybe there's something else going wrong with it. There's a lot of little capacitors and stuff like that in there and anything can go. So I really recommend that you always back up your phone on a regular basis, not even when it's just actually going in for a repair. You just back up your phone because anything can happen. Now in the link below, I've got a tutorial on how to back up your phone. It's so simple, you just have to plug it into iTunes, to iCloud, or upload the important data to iCloud. So it's the most common question, just remember this. Any repairer that you take your phone to is a human being. A good repairer will tell you that there's always a risk when there's any type of technical work being carried out on your phone that something could happen. And if something does happen, you need to make sure you're prepared for that and you need to save your data. Our phones have got literally our lives on them nowadays, so it'd be very crazy not to actually back up your phone. Any repairer that actually gets you to sign a repair waiver form is a good repairer. They're actually going to be telling you of the risks. It doesn't mean that there's a chance that they will actually break your phone. They're just saying, look, this is technical work. If you were to go in to the doctor to say, fix your knee or you know, have a minor surgery, they're going to tell you that there are a lot of risks. Even though 99% of the time that it doesn't occur, you need to be aware of that. So once again, in the link below, I've got how you can back up your data. And there's also a little thing that you can purchase on Amazon.com. It's like a little USB stick. It plugs into the bottom of your Apple iPhone. And what you can do is you can just simply install an app and download that data. It's really, really awesome. And remember, it's going to save your photos, your contacts, everything that's important to you. So please, once again, like and subscribe, and thank you. I'll be putting more tips in the near future.